All right, so if you're trying to connect using the IP address and it just keeps failing again and again, yeah, this is annoying, I know. But quick heads up, it's not your phone, it's the PC. Let me show you. This takes like 30 seconds. Go to your PC, open settings, then click network and internet. Scroll down a bit and open advanced network settings. From there, click on advanced sharing settings. Now look for all networks and open it. You'll see this option called password protected sharing. If this is turned on, yeah, that's your problem. Just toggle it off. That's literally it on the PC side. Now go back to your phone, tap connect to server, type the IP address and choose guest, and done. You should be able to see your folders right away. So yeah, if this helped you, you're welcome and you can stop stressing now.